YouTube channel, like and subscribe. Hello, my name is BroadbandLink and I run BroadbandLink Gaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add like and subscribe, cool buttons and effects, as well as how to add that watermark on the bottom right of your screen that people can click and subscribe to your channel. Now let's jump into it. First thing I want to show you guys is on Panzoid. They have an amazing creation list of tons of things you can find. Tons of green screen effects. You can find intros, outros for your videos, whatever you're looking for. This particular one, and I'll have this in the description, is a subscribe and like button. Okay, so we can open up Clipmaker. Now these work best in Google Chrome or Firefox. They work like garbage in Internet Explorer. Just shooting that out here, okay? Now, in this thing, if you've never seen it before, you hit this eye and you're going to view what's happening here. You're gonna hit the play button and you're gonna watch this here. So I'm gonna pause it right there, right? So this actually shows you clicking like, subscribe, and it minimizes out. So we'll let it run in again. You wanna make it so you can see everything. You unpause it. You're gonna click the I button to see the display. Now you can click, hold, and move around so you can see different things, okay? So now we're gonna change some things. First of all, you see this weird thing right here? I wanna get rid of that. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to FX, I'm gonna go to overlay, and I'm gonna remove the overlay, because that's what that is, okay? Second thing is, I'm going to go into objects, which if you put your mouse over here, it says objects, okay? Now, for your text, you're going to do your channel name, right? Mine is actually pretty long, so if yours is something small, for an example, my boy GM fan, it'll fit no problem, but for mine, it's a little difficult. Let me show you. As you can see, it doesn't quite fit, but there's tons of ways we can make this work. Now, if you notice here, you can also change the font size to anything you guys want, okay? I'm just gonna leave it for what it's set, but any of those that you like, just select it. You click it and it's good to go with whatever you want. I'm actually gonna make the height to 2, so I'm gonna make that a little smaller that way. And then what I'm gonna do is you can change the color if you want from, you know, red and black, whatever have you, and that be in the color right here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna scale down my text, right? So now it's smaller, but I want it to go more to the right. So here's the position. I'm actually gonna make this a 10. Okay, that was a little too much. Maybe we'll try like an 11. There you go. See, that looks pretty good, right? I actually kind of want to go a little bigger, so maybe we'll try like a 7 here. No, that was a little too much. Maybe we'll put this down to like 7.1. Yeah, see, that looks good. I'm gonna go with that, right? So now, if you play it again, see, it's pretty cool, right? Now we're gonna do the logo. We want to change the logo. So what you'll do is they're all named rectangle. So you're just gonna select it, and like if I select the top one, you see how it's like shows this box around the subscribe. I don't want to touch that. I just want to keep going down until I see it selecting the logo, which is this one right here. So it's third from the top, right? I'm gonna select an image. Now I have my logo with a white background because that's particularly a white background. If you use PNG, it'll use a background, just so you know. Now that's what I'm gonna click view, and I'm gonna see my logo. So here you go. And see, there you go. It's that simple. Now you have your own very customized, just little reminder for people to like and subscribe. So now that everything is done, you're ready to rock and roll, right? So you want to select basics, okay? This is where you could change it from 1080p, go 4K resolution, whatever have you. I'm gonna keep it at 1080p. I'm gonna increase my frame rates to 60 because I typically do videos at 1080p with 60 frames per second. I'm not going to adjust the length or anything. I can shorten it if I wanted to. Now you can add audio and music effects in here if you wish, but I'm going to leave it alone. Now I'm going to download. Now in the mode, okay, you have fast render, balance, good, extreme, quality. You're going to reuse this a lot. Do extreme quality. It's going to take a while to render, but it's okay. Now you hit start video render. Once your rendering is complete, you would download your video. And then there it is. You would click it, open it. Oh yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, now for part 2 of this video, how to add that amazing watermark to your YouTube channel. Let's jump in. All right, so from your YouTube webpage, you're gonna click your button here, go to YouTube Studio Beta. Once this loads, go to Creator Studio Classic, hit skip. Here you're gonna click Channel. From here you're gonna go to Branding. And then I already have this uploaded, but I'm going to remove it just so I can show you guys the whole process. So you're gonna see branding watermark, a channel branding element and overlay to your videos. You can hit add watermark. This is for best results, use a transparency gift or just one color. We're gonna browse. So this is my YouTube icon that I use, so I'm gonna hit open. Now that that is there, I'm gonna hit save. It says you've uploaded your watermark, it's right here. I'm gonna hit save. Now that's there, it has a display time, so it could show up at 5 minutes in the video, at the end of the video, but I like mine to show there for the entire video, just to give people an easier way, because if they're on PC, they put their mouse over it, it'll automatically let them subscribe. Hit update. And as simple as that, you've added a branding watermark to your YouTube channel. This is highly recommend that you do. You'll get a lot of subscribes from this button. It just makes it that much easier for people to subscribe. Now, a lot of people, they'll either use their icon or they'll actually use a red subscribe button just to make it easier. You can do whichever one you want. I hear mixed reviews which one works better, but hey, I just want to show my branding versus to tell people to subscribe. But at the same time, if you want people to subscribe, you can do that as well. I'll have a link down in the description below for a nice little red PNG one that says subscribe on it for you if that's something you want to do. Now, with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you could be so kind and hit that like button and subscribe to BroadbandLink Gaming, I would greatly appreciate it, where you will find plenty of how-to tip videos. I'll do some gaming live streams, mostly on my Twitch. Link will be in the description below. And other than that, sometimes I'll just pop in and start saying hello and just chit-chatting it up. So feel free to join my Discord as well. Links down in the description below. With that being said, have a great rest of your day. If you want to know how I look so cool, click that video right there. It'll tell you how. If you want to learn how to make amazing thumbnails, click that video right there. You'll have a lot of fun with that video. Bye-bye.